Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Amira, and if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to share this video with friends and give today's video a big thumbs up. And let's get right into today's video. When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything. So, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be the truth about IML Academy. Now, I know that, we all on quarantine, people need some more money and stuff, and everyone, and I mean everyone, has been hearing about IML Academy, Forex trading, and everything in its entirety. Everything in its entirety. All about the 235, the 325, everything, and you might right now actually be seeing a 199 sale. So I decided that I would get right into the details, give y'all the juice, give y'all the tea. I would tell y'all everything that everyone that's around you is not trying to tell you, because guess what? I'm gonna tell you the truth, and I'm gonna give it to you straight. So I took my notes. I got my iPad like usual. I got my notes. I got the details, and let's get right into today's video. So if you're clicking on this video, you already know about Forex, and I'm going to tell you straight up, no, Forex is not a scam. 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 You can trade Forex and be very profitable if you know what you're doing. But we're talking about IML Academy. We're talking about the academy. We're talking about the people that try to get you to pay $235, $325, $199, whatever, to join their group, their team, to use these products, right? So, okay, I'm going to start with the background. So I was introduced to Forex in about my 10th grade year of high school. So that was about 2 years ago. I already did my own research, trying to figure things out, and I just kind of honestly wasn't getting anywhere. So I, just decided that for right now I would give that a rest. And then let's fast forward to one of my friends. So one of my friends actually joined IML Academy, and she was a Forex trading with them, very profitable. And she wanted to get me to join under her. Now, she wanted me to join under her because if you do not know, that if you get people to sign up under your username using your link, you get to get residual income. So she was like, sign up. I was like, I ain't paying for that. And she was like, good, I'll pay for it for you. So she ended up purchasing my membership, and that is when I was enrolled into the academy. Now, when you get in there, there's all these videos you gotta watch, all the stuff that you gotta do. I did what they told me to do. I followed the blueprint, like they would say, and I did make nothing. I did not make nothing. And I was like, this is crazy. So let me just tell you about Forex. You can come into the foreign exchange market and expect to make profit in 1 week. And I'm telling you now, you might make a little bit of money, but it's not going to be like, you ain't going to be there in 1 week. Okay, I'm going to just be honest. You're not about to be no damn Bill Gates in 1 week. So it takes time. But what that company advertises is a whole different message. That company advertises you basically earning as you learn. And what I mean by the earn as you learn systems, like I already mentioned, they have videos that they want you to watch and take notes on. They have live teaching sessions and everything that want you to log on to and take notes from. So with that being said, you're learning. You're still supposed to be learning everything that they're teaching you. So they have this quote unquote earn as you learn system, which basically is them sending out signals for you to put into your MetaTrader 4 app for you to make money. So I was like, okay, well, they'll be fine for me, because who wouldn't want to earn while they learn, right? So let's fast forward to me putting in these signals, and it freaking blew my account. These signals were horrible. Every signal had hit stop loss. There was no profit for about 2 weeks straight. The signals were horrible. And I was like, you guys can't advertise signals if they're not even hitting take profit, if they're not even going into profit. These signals were horrible. They were horrible. Okay, so that's one. That's the kind of the background. So I joined with a regular Forex Academy package, and I learned nothing. I knew nothing. The products just were not working for me. So the reason why I don't really, you know, recommend I Am Academy as a whole is because, now I never said that it was not possible for you to learn how to Forex trade from them, but you will be very dependent on these products that they advertise. A couple of the products that they might have mentioned, or you might have already be familiar with, is the harmonic scanner, gold cup, vibrator, swipe coin. There are a lot of, honestly, there are a lot of products that they advertise and tell you that it'll tell you when to get in the market, when to get out the market, when to do this, when to do that. Basically, it's a big ass indicator. An indicator, which you might already be familiar with, tells you, you know, could help you, guide you on when to get in and when to get out, you know, according, if basically confirming your analysis is what you can, you know, that you can use it for. You can also be an indicator trader. That's what you want to do. But those products that they advertise are just big ass indicators, right? And the company as a whole, they just focus on recruiting. Like, I noticed that it's all just about recruiting. It's all about, you know, being a chairman, being a platinum leader, and they make you go into these, you know, these calls at freaking 9, 11 o'clock at night, all times of the day. And when you really think about it, the message that this company is throwing out into the world is residual income and stuff. And who doesn't want some passive income? Passive income means income that you receive from sitting on your behind. You did nothing for the income. And they tell you about passive income, tell you about all these other things. And yeah, it sounds great. It sounds great. But that's what the company focuses on as a whole, passive income. It doesn't really focus on trading. They focus on residual income, recruiting people, getting people to join your team. When I first joined, the team had a focus on actually learning how to trade and trading. And that mindset quickly shifted to all about becoming the next chairman 750. Yes, that sounds good. And you know, if the company maybe did some work and, you know, figured out the kinks and stuff, it maybe would not be a good alternative, you know. But like I said, they don't really teach you much trading. They teach you how to recruit. That's all they are focusing you on doing, is building people, going to and free, getting your first 3 legs, doing this, doing that, and it's freaking insane. So, and when people ask me, is it a scam? The simple answer for that is no, but then yes. Because if you were to be getting scammed, when you get scammed, there's no option for you to get your money back. I want to make that extremely clear. When you are scammed, you're done. Your money is done. You're a donezo. Your money is gone, baby. You can't get it back. But with I Am Academy, you can cancel your subscription. You are able to cancel it after, I think, 7 days. So if you were to follow the blueprint that they lay out for you, and they tell you that you should make your initial investment back within the first 5 days, well, it's been like 500 and I still haven't had my money back. I'm just saying. Like I mentioned already, their signals have killed my account several times. They have the worst signals ever. They're like, no. And it makes you rely on products. So this is my question. If you learn how to use these products, and that's what you use to trade, okay, fine. But what happens if for one reason their products just don't work anymore? Will you be able to trade? If just one day their products just stop working, would you be able to trade? And most people's answer would be no. A lot of people don't know how to trade, you know, without the products. They heavily rely on the harmonic scanner. They heavily rely on all these different products, and a lot of them cannot trade without them. Another thing that made me not like this company is that they basically utilize waving a lavish lifestyle in your face. I mean, when you're waving money and jewelry and retiring yourself at 17 or 18, retiring your mom and doing all these things, yes, you're going to get people's attention. That is called an emotional appeal. You are using emotions as a way to get people to jump on what you want them to jump on. They wave this lavish lifestyle in your face, and they tell you that if you put the work in, you're going to do this, you're going to do that. And I'm going to be honest, that's not the case. That's not the case. Basically, a lot of people who are successful in the company are people who are ranked leaders. You have to be a ranked leader to be making some cash. Like, dumb products, in my opinion, did not work, and it's just not what it is. But overall, the company has a really not a positive message. They wave things, unrealistic goals and wishes in your face to try to get you to do what they want you to do, which is to recruit and join and stuff. Because the truth is that when you are signing people up underneath you, the person who you are under yourself is going to be getting some type of gain from that. So keep that in mind. And these quote unquote mentors that they tell you about, like, you know, oh, if you join, you know, these mentors are going to help you, take you through the hard struggles, and they're going to teach you how to trade. They don't. I've had 2 different mentors and I have done nothing. I've gotten nowhere. So my friend paid for me to join under her, and then I went ahead and paid for another package myself about a month or 2 ago, and the same outcome happened. I thought it was just the mentor. Maybe no, it's the freaking group. The message that this company has behind them, it's not a positive one. It's not teaching you how to be an independent trader, how to make your own money for real. It's teaching you to be solely reliant upon people. If you were to take signals from these people for the rest of your life, say if one day these people are in the hospital for 2 weeks, so for 2 weeks you don't have any money, nah, that ain't right. That ain't right. Nah, bro, that ain't right. So that was just kind of the basics of the logistics kind of behind the company. As being someone who was in the company twice, honestly, it's not cute. I've tried and I've wasted my own money so that you guys do not have to waste your money. Now, if you are interested in learning how to Forex trade independently and actually make some money, I will provide you guys with some resources in my next video or 2 about becoming an independent trader and making your own money the right way. And it kind of eliminates the middleman, and the middleman are those products. And that's kind of just a few things that I was able to tell you guys. I maybe will do a part 2 to this video and give you guys even more information on the company and just why it's not it. But in the long run, if you would like to join the company, be my guest and go ahead and try this stuff out. Waste your money. Yeah, you can get your money back, but I'm telling you now, you're not going to get anywhere. So yeah. But if you have enjoyed today's video, please give today's video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more Forex related videos and all of my other videos that will be being made on my channel this year. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.